channel, and if you are new, welcome. So today's video is going to be a DIY, as you can tell from the title. This DIY should be very helpful for small, on a budget YouTubers like myself. You know, I got other priorities at the moment. YouTube don't pay me. I wish it did. Okay, so let me show you guys how it looks without the light. I'm gonna show y'all how great this light is. Like, okay, so I made 2 ring lights, and let me show you guys. And I got both of them on, so I'm just gonna turn one off. Right, we're just gonna turn both off. So you see the difference? So this is 1, this is 2. So, but hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you find this video very helpful, like I found the others that I watched. But if you guys like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button also. And I just want to thank all my subscribers. You know, thanks for sticking with me. I know I'm not constant with my videos, but I'm getting better at it. I made that a 2019 goal to tighten up on YouTube. But thanks, enjoy the video.